Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a way how you can withdraw your money in Steam. So let's get started. So first what you want to do is go here to these websites, keepcashier.com, because this is what we will be using to get our money on Steam. And this basically solves your items like your skins. Next, as you can see here, there are skins here from CSGO and other different games from Steam. So let's go. First, what we're gonna do is go here, click sell your skins, and here you'll be popped to permission for connecting your Steam account to the site. So just go sign in. Let's click on sign in. And after that, we will be directed here. We need to enter our email and find your trade URL and start selling. So let's say this is my email, and then your trade URL. You can find your trade URL here. Just click it, and in here you have now what trade URL. You just click here on your trade offer, and then paste it here. And where you go, this is now your trade URL, and then we're creating an account. You agree with the terms and conditions. Let's go check that, and then save account settings. And then after that, we can now start selling our items so that we can convert it into real money and we can get our cash here instantly. So after you have done it, you have to go here in inventory and update inventory, and you will see all the items here that you have available for sale are available for conversion into real money, and you will just need to select it, and you will see the total amount of your items here total selected. And if you have a promo code, you can also type it here and claim. As this is the payout method. There are PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Payeer, as this U-Money, and Kiwi, and iCash. This one has a fee, a minimum withdrawal, and here also this one, but it doesn't really matter because it is so small. And now if you want to review on how this works, you can take here how it works. And then this is the process. It's very easy. Log in Steam, roast your inventory, and then accept the trade. Because you need to select the items, and you need to, and as I mentioned before, you will see it here. And after you have clicked here, you will be prompted to a trade. And that's where it says here, accept the trade, because you will be traded so that they can convert your items into real money. And if you go here, as you can see, there are a lot of skins being sold right here. And here, it is mostly for CSGO, but I guess it also works for other games. Or for now, it is only working for CSGO. And that is basically how you can withdraw your money from Steam to real money.